Traders, just going to quickly run through last week's trades, the outcome. Just going to run down alphabetically here. Euro Aussie. I was looking for continuation with that, and of course at some stage it's going to roll over, and it happened to go against us. We closed this one at break even here. I wasn't so sure about how it would hold up, given that this indicator here was running along the highs, and I mean, it can travel through here for quite a distance, but anyway, I ended up closing this at break even on this pullback. So I pulled the stop loss down fairly early in the piece, as I just wasn't 100% with it. I was happy to do that. Now the next one, Euro Yen, I'm just going to run down this list here. So Euro Yen, yeah, this one I was looking for continuation. Okay, this is always my strategy. Sell, okay, sell, and of course at some stage it'll turn around on you, and that's what happened here. And this one, our stop loss got taken out. Next one was the pound Swissy. Yeah, it was a tough week last week. Buy, trend continuation. Okay, this one, well, actually the stop loss was taken out around break even here on this one. As you can see, it's now shifting gears. Okay, so another break even. Pound yen was another one we had last week. Yeah, this was a buy based on a pullback, but we missed out. We had a buy limit order slightly under. It didn't quite touch it. It would have been nice if it did. Okay, so that was a buy limit that wasn't reached, and we had a pound kiwi. Tough week, guys. Tough week. Okay, buy. That's the logic. And of course, you get that. So this one, the stop loss was taken out. New Zealand CAD. This one pulled back and was closed slightly in profit. Yeah, we had some reversals. I was basically looking for continuation here, but didn't quite work out. So slightly in profit for the Kiwi CAD. Then we had a dollar yen. I was going for a counter trend sell. I moved my stop loss to break even fairly quickly, and it was taken out at break even, so slightly in profit, but definitely nothing to write home about, that's for sure. And then we had a silver, couple of silver trades. Yeah, another break even, entered short, pulled the stop loss to break even, and then of course it pulled back and took that out. This one was a buy limit, looking for that. I mean, we're in the right kind of setup, just wasn't a deep enough pullback to get a fill. That would have been a nice 2.5 hour outcome if that one got filled. Guys, not the greatest week last week. Yeah, I mean, some weeks are easier than others, that's for sure. In any case, let's see what we can find this week. Now, guys, if you haven't joined VIP, there's a 2-week free trial. You're welcome to jump on board, and I would love to see you in there. To gain access, just head over to my website, and you can see the website. It's anthonybourne.com down at the bottom of the video. Join the free trial. With that, hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.